Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video I will show how to fix GCash not working or not opening problem. When you open on GCash app, show a lots of error, your phone setting is not secure, or show a error, GCash detected that this device has a custom ROM or unlock bootloader. I will show how to solution to all this problem in a video, so do not skip to watch the related video. Let's see how to solve. First open on Play Store, then search GCash app and update your GCash app if available on Play Store or App Store. Then go to phone setting, then scroll down and tap on apps and scroll down, click on GCash app and tap on storage and tap on clear data and permission allow on your GCash app. Back on setting, search here build number, click on build number and tap on build number 6 times or 7 times and tap on OK. Back on setting. Now find your developer option and scroll down and unlock OEM unlocking and unlock your developer option. Press your power button and tap on reset your phone. Now open on GCash app. I hope this problem has been resolved for you. Thanks for watching full video and like and subscribe my channel.